Hello! Today we'll discuss double exposure. The promotion turned out to be quite extensive, however. With them, really good things are obtained. Not all of the resulting pictures are clean and pristine. Double exposure waters, however, I can definitely say for sure, to express that all of the resulting images are deserving of attention and have the appearance of a well-executed work that is of high quality and worth noting. Don't waste time, go to the review of the prompt. As I mentioned before, prompt is very extensive, as it includes two scenes, because double exposure implies the presence of two scenes in order to create a layered effect. Prompt instructs us to create a composite image, with the initial scene or layer being described as such and such, and the second layer being described as such and such. That is, without these two elements, specifically two scenes, two completely different worlds, if you will, we will not be able to achieve the desired result. So the things that need to be paid attention to are enclosed in square brackets. So this is the first fragment. He will inform us about what will be surrounding the silhouette, what will be surrounding the character. It could be a forest, a city, the universe, anything. But the primary characteristic of this scene is some sort of scale. It should contain specific details. It should possess the capability to accurately depict various small elements. If this does not happen, then the double exposure will not be very good. For example, what we see on the screen right now is a forest that we use here. And the forest has a large number of branches, foxes, and so on. And it fits well into the picture and turns out to be a really impressive double exposure. So please bear in mind the very first scene, the very first layer of your prompt, it should possess a direct scale and be of utmost importance. He must be of considerable size, he must be majestic, grand, of epic proportions, if you will. There is no need to include any insignificant elements or scenes that are completely unremarkable there. The second element you require is the outline of an individual. It can be a person, it can be an extraterrestrial, any character that is, double exposure suggests the existence of this character. Well, at least the options I am displaying to you. Accordingly, in this location, you depict the outline of a person, and there is a subtle emotional tone that suggests this individual has a deep emotional connection to this place, to this particular scene that is being portrayed. In my particular case, this character is specifically associated with a beautiful nature scene, therefore bear that in mind. You are able to experiment. I have various options here, of course, that do not have this emotional connection to the first scene, as you can see. For e.g., a double exposure with this Indian. She did not have in her commencement, did not have in her prompt, just this emotional connection or attachment. Well, admitted, it turned out really cool. The image looks powerful. So this image can easily be used as the basis for creating a poster about the Wild West, with a focus on Indians in particular. Therefore, pals, try out, utilize prompt. You will observe it beneath the description of this video. And of course, subscribe to the channel and subscribe to the prompt section channel, where you can get inspired by cool prompt works. See you soon.